atensiyo na nibetere hamisho abokuba nibya kubasa kutungura ensi okuchura munonge minyeto oyaba natongoza h'ekitongore eki Honorable Kabyanga ehanangiriza abanyakasese kukoresa mu gishogo kuhindura amagara gabo.
The digital transformation agenda is unstoppable. Just to know that whether you like it or not, whether you are on 80 years, whether you are how many years, struggling to get some digital skills. I strongly believe
Honorable Kabyanga yashobora kwihanga ya Uganda rikiri inyuma mu bya science na technology bit government negezaho kusitya abanya-Uganda obwegese ero kurabira mu bibina nkebe hamwe n'amashomero hamwe n'ibindi.
Is digital skills so that people can be able to utilize digital services, and that is very, very important. I know all of you, when you hear about gadgets, digital equipment, every time I go everywhere, you know, sir, we want computers. And for them, computers means probably laptop or a desktop. And I say, so what are you going to use this computer for? No. You know, you cannot do anything without the computer.
The ultimate goal will have been achieved. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here very excited because African People's Association is embracing what our government is proclaiming already. And I have downloaded that document which someone was referring to.
Kandi abakuru ekitongore eki bine kibabase kushoboraho
masimu kubabba bintu bwebityo response isa abantu babanyo naye bambi abantu tebabitegeera abantu tebayize abantu they have not taken learning as earning tebayiga
many things and how we can apply on jobs, very many things, bank money using internet and digital. So I would encourage all people engage in this digital science.
Aba binamatsiko ngo ntekateke eje neza kubera munonga abanyakasese
kurangu abantu babasa batakozesa esimu zabo mu ngaro uri kubika sente zawe uri gukora business n'esimu yawe ukakora ibintu byona n'esimu yawe ekyo ngishitukurebera we izo bantu tureba telecom services nyingi omumbera nkejo niyo kushangira ngo safe zone eturetire ibintu nka digital payment systems ya turetera digital virtual currency ibintu ke bibitambura mu kushageza kushanga nka sente zo kweta yem your everyday money sente zo nizakuba nzikora internet
nti turi mu digital world cyonko mu digital world eje turumu ne itwe nkabalake people's association ntutero muranga abanyamakuru nkimwe kugira mufe yo mununga mu yambe